I have a document about Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, and I would like to replace any place that has pride and the word and prejudice with pride with an ampersand prejudice. So all I have to do is go up to the menu and I'll go to Edit, Find, and then I'll choose Advanced Find and Replace. I'll need to click on the Replace tab, and in the Find What, I'll type Pride and Prejudice, and in the Replace With, I'll type Pride and Prejudice with an ampersand. And then I'll click Replace All. And it's made 6 replacements. And now I'll show you a fancier find and replace. I like the word Elizabeth to be italicized throughout the entire document. So in the Find What, I'll type Elizabeth, and in the Replace With, I'll type Elizabeth. And then I'll click this down arrow, and I'll go to Format, Font. In the font style, I'll choose Italic, and then I'll choose OK. I'll choose Replace All, and now all the occurrences of Elizabeth are now italicized.